Welcome back to Cars and Farms. Last video, got all these poles painted down here. Finally got this one set. Had to wait for the power company to come out. That took about 2 weeks, but there's a lot of utilities running through here. So that was my crucial pole. Then down here we got a good brace, 16-foot gate, another brace, and the last thing I gotta do is build a brace on that one right down there, and then paint all these poles black. And she'll be ready for some wire. So let's get to putting this brace up and start some painting. Well, this is how I do it. I mark 2 feet up on this pole, then I drive some of these real long nails in like this. And that's just so I can rest the board up here, that cross member. And then I'll run nails through it, both sides, and then wire it up. So let me go ahead and get it nailed in position, and I'll show you how to wire it. Well, this being a small post, I was able to run a nail through here, all the way through into this one about that far. This side, much bigger post, corner post, gotta run them in from the top side at an angle down into them. And that holds them pretty sturdy. Now let's wire it up. The wire I use here, it's easy to get. I buy Tractor Supply, 100 foot, working load of 150 pounds. Don't know if it's the right wire, but it'll work for me. Let's get it. All right. So we had a staple here, and at the other side, loop the wire around. This is all one piece of wire. And I got it tied off over here. I had a couple staples here on each side just to keep this wire straight. And now we'll tighten it. The way I like to tighten it is just take one of these long nails, and you can kind of hook the head into that wire, and you just go around and around with it. This is going to be hard to do one-handed, but we'll get it done. And you don't want it crazy tight, but you do want it tight, and you want to kind of tighten this side and then that side. So let me get it tightened up and I'll show you how it looks. Well, a couple twists here, a couple twists there. She's nice and tight. Boing. So, got a couple more to do, and we'll start painting. Well, we got the fence painted all nice and black. Now we're ready for some wire. That'll be the next video though. This is the paint we use. It's called Fence Pro. You get it from Tractor Supply. And I just use a 4-inch brush to slap it on there. You want to do it real nice and thick. Kind of protect the wood the best you can. I would have shown you me painting it, but nobody wants to see that. So until next time, see ya.